Namaskar. In this series, we will be learning mudras. These hasta mudras are of two types. Asanyukta hasta mudra, that is of one hand, and Sanyukta hasta mudra, which uses two hands. But before that, let me explain what are mudras. From where can we get the reference for these hasta mudras? The famous granthas like Natya Shastra, written by Bharat Muni, and Abhinay Darpana, written by Acharya Nandikeshwar. The use of these mudras is also found in Yoga Shastra. Our whole body is made up of 5 elements, that is Pancha Mahaputta. This is clearly explained in Yoga Mudras. The thumb is the Agni Tattva. The index finger is the Vayu Tattva. The middle finger is the Akasha Tattva. The ring finger is the Prithvi Tattva. And the last, the little finger, is the Jala Tattva. All these 5 tattvas are taken into consideration when the Yoga Mudras are designed. The first Asanyukta Hasta Mudra is Pataka. In Mudra Pataka, all the 5 fingers are kept very straight. This mudra itself means flag. But this mudra can be also used to show water, to show road, to say stop, to say no, to give blessings. These are the different uses of Pataka mudra. The next mudra is Tripataka. In this mudra, the ring finger is folded in a halfway. Because 3 fingers are straight, therefore it is called as Tripataka. This mudra is used to show bird, to show lamb, to do arti, to show an arrow. These were the uses of Tripataka. The next mudra is Ardha Pataka. So in the Pataka mudra, if rest 2 fingers, that is the little finger and the Madhyama, that is ring finger, is folded, then it becomes Ardha Pataka. The use of Ardha Pataka is to show bank of the river, to show ghungat, to show the leaves of the tree, to show knife for the cutting. These were the uses of Ardha Pataka. The next mudra is Kartari Mukha. In Kartari Mukha, the Ardha Pataka mudra, if we are doing the longest finger, that is the middle finger, and the index finger, if we are stretching it in the opposite direction, then it becomes the Kartari Mukha. Kartari itself means scissors. So this is used to show scissors. The dancers can use it for showing the eyes, to show opposite or to show the quarrel. If we are showing for thundering or lightning, this can be used. Next mudra is Mayura. Mayura means itself peacock. In Mayura mudra, the thumb and the ring finger, the tip of both the fingers are attached to each other. So this becomes Mayura mudra. As the name suggests, the Mayura mudra is used to show peacock. to put a tilak, to show bindi. This can be also used for showing the dhyan. One more important use of this mudra is, as in the yoga studies, it is being shown that Mayura mudra, it's similar to the Prithvi mudra. And when Prithvi mudra is done for 10 to 15 minutes, your bones and muscle strength increases. These were the uses of Mayura mudra. Next mudra is Ardha Chandra. In this mudra, all the 4 fingers are kept horizontal and the thumb is away from the fingers, making 90-degree angle. So this becomes Ardha Chandra. The name itself or the meaning itself says Adha Chand or the half moon. So this is used to show the half moon. Definitely this mudra is used to show the elephant ears or the Lord Ganesha. This can be also used to say Dhyana mudra. This is also used to show the vest or the kati. Ardha Chandra mudra can be also used to think or to worry. These were the different uses of Ardha Chandra mudra. The next mudra is Arala mudra, in which the index finger is folded in a halfway. This is called as Arala. Arala is used for drinking something or to show the wind or the storm. This Arala mudra, if the thumb is being touched, this mudra is normally used by the Kathak dancers, which is called as Samasthiti. Arala mudra in Yoga Shastra, it has got lot of importance, because when you are touching the index finger and the thumb to each other, then it becomes a Dhyana mudra. And this Dhyana mudra, if it is continuously being done for 10 to 15 minutes, it increases the strength, it increases the concentration and the memory. These were the different uses of Arala mudra, which was similar to Dhyana mudra in yoga. Today, we have learned first 7 Hasta mudras. In upcoming session, you will learn more. Remember, dancer can interpret various uses of these Hasta mudras. Thank you and Dhanyavad.